snake slipping into your shoes. Well, a cheap shot of rice served neat, boy, I wouldn't refuse. No. I've been to the north and I've been to the south.